The vehicle reversing camera and bbs-tek reversing alarm from Brigade Electronics are valuable driver aids, but they don't replace using the mirrors and other good driving techniques. In this short guide, we present some advice for best practice when driving a goods vehicle that will need to be reversed. First of all, before you set off, move the vehicle to a place where you can get to the camera at the back, secure the vehicle, then take a cloth and give the lens a wipe. When you go back to the cab, check all your mirrors are clean too, on both sides of the vehicle. Now switch the ignition on and put the vehicle into reverse. The monitor should display a picture. If it doesn't, use the on-off switch at the top right-hand corner to switch it on. Check that you're seeing a good picture of what's behind the vehicle and that the camera hasn't been knocked so it's pointing at the ground or the sky. If at any time you're not sure that you're seeing everything you need to, make the vehicle secure, get out, and look at what you're going to reverse towards. Once you're on the move, avoid the need to reverse if at all possible. For example, go past your destination and round a roundabout to come back if that'll help avoid backing in. Or pull up near to your destination and take the delivery the final few steps by hand, rather than trying to back into an awkward space that could result in an accident. When pulling up to reverse, try not to overshoot. Minimise how far back you'll need to travel, so you spend as little time reversing as possible. It's essential to make sure the reversing alarm is working correctly. You can hear it through the cab window, and if your vehicle has the reversing camera fitted, the alarm sound will be picked up by its microphone and heard in the cab as well. Throughout any reversing manoeuvre, keep looking all round the vehicle, using the camera, all the mirrors, and remembering any blind spots around the vehicle. Remember, the camera will only show things immediately behind the vehicle. You'll still need to look in your mirrors for anything to the side. Take extra care when there are pedestrians near the back of your vehicle. They may not realise you're going to reverse, and you may not see them in your mirrors. Check and ask them to move if you need to. At all times, use good driving sense, have due care and attention, and make sure you have a clean line of vision through all the mirrors. And check the width and height of your vehicle against the location you're trying to access. Each cab has its dimensions clearly visible. Finally, remember the camera is not a substitute for the mirrors. Always use the mirrors in every reversing manoeuvre.
The Brigade system is excellent, but at the end of the day we need to always ensure the drivers check the mirrors so they've got all-round observation.
Here's a quick recap of those tips. Make sure the mirrors and camera lens are clean and that the monitor shows a good picture of what's behind the vehicle. If you're unsure, secure the vehicle, then get out and check the area you're going to reverse into. Avoid the need to reverse if at all possible. Minimise the distance your vehicle has to reverse. Make sure the reversing alarm is working properly. Keep looking all round the vehicle throughout the manoeuvre, bearing in mind any blind spots. Only use the camera to see what's immediately behind the vehicle. It won't show you what's going on at the sides. Take extra care when there are people near the back of the vehicle. Always drive with care and attention, making sure you have a clean line of vision through all the mirrors. And check the access, the width and height is enough for the size of your vehicle.